Welcome to the magic of sound, right here at Easy Speak Studios.
I work all day, and you only complain.
That is not true. I do everything at home.
Sarah left. What did I do? Oh no.
Mom is gone.
She really left.
I want Mom.
Me too.
Dad was mean. Mom was sad. I feel scared. Dad, why did you shout? Your words hurt Mom. Now she left.
You are right. I said bad words. I'm sorry. Come here, Mia.
Bring Mom back.
I will try. Leo, I'm sorry too.
Call Mom.
Yes. Sarah, please talk.
Not now.
Please.
I'm hurt.
Okay, I understand. I will not shout. I will fix this. Please drink water.
I don't want. I feel sick.
Small sip. I was angry, but anger is not okay. I'm sorry.
Will Mom come back?
I don't know.
I miss her. Me too.
Good night.
I love you. Bring Mom, please.
Please. I hurt Sarah. I hurt the kids. I must change. I will write a note. A real apology. From my heart. Sarah, I'm sorry. Please read my note. I will wait. Good morning.
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 Let's eat a little.
I want Mom's hug.
Me too.
I know.
I will go to her. I will say sorry. Face to face. Bring Mom back.
I will try.
Don't shout.
I won't. Dad, please.
I promise.
Be kind. Yes.
I must control my anger. I must listen. Okay. I will speak softly. I will say sorry. I will not blame. Sarah, are you here? Please open. I need to talk.
Adam, why are you here?
To say sorry.
I'm still hurt.
I spoke badly. I was wrong. I'm sorry, Sarah.
Your words broke my heart. I felt small.
I understand. Please read this. The kids are crying.
Okay. I miss them. I can't come today.
Please, not today.
Not today.
Okay, I understand. I will wait, but please call the kids.
Hi, my babies.
Mom, come back.
I promised to try.
I talked to Mom.
Is she coming?
Not today.
Why not today?
She is still hurt.
Your fault.
Yes, my fault. I will change. No more shouting. I will listen first.
Okay, Dad.
Be kind.
Say sorry again.
Yes. Will Mom come back tomorrow?
I will try.
Please. Okay.
Good morning.
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 Let's start fresh today. I will not shout today. I will speak softly. I promise.
Okay, Dad. Please keep your promise. No more bad words. Yes.
When I feel angry, I will breathe. Like this. Please listen to me.
Great.
Great. Listen, please.
Listen, please.
Sarah, good morning.
Morning.
Can we talk today?
Maybe.
Mom? Is she coming?
Not sure. Oh.
We cannot force Mom, but we can be kind. We can wait. Let's walk outside.
Okay.
Fresh air.
Yes. I miss Mom. Every day.
I know.
Dad, say sorry again. Real sorry.
I will. I was wrong. I hurt Mom.
Yes.
I will change. Mia, you are safe.
I want Mom.
I know. We will try. This house feels empty. But we are together. We are family.
I feel sad. I feel scared. I want peace. Me too. Tell me. Stop shouting. use kind words.
Okay. You are right. I will be calm. I will listen first. Snack time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dad. You're welcome. Sarah, can you talk?
A little.
The kids miss you.
I miss them too.
Mom. Hi, Mia. Mom, please come.
Soon, not today.
Okay. I understand. Thank you for calling.
I want Mom now. I am sad. It's okay to cry.
Will she forget us?
Never. She loves you.
We can't control Mom, but we can control us.
Be calm.
Yes.
Let's eat dinner.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. I will not shout. I will not blame. I will be patient.
Good night, Dad.
Good night.
Good night. I love you.
Bring Mom soon.
I will try. Promise?
This is hard. I feel lonely, but kids need me. New rule. Kind words. Listen first. Sarah, I am changing. I will be patient. Please believe me.
I hear you, Adam. I am still hurt. But I miss home. Adam,
Sarah, I will say.
I will talk tomorrow.
Thank you. She will talk tomorrow. That is good. Small step.
Mom will talk? Tomorrow? Maybe she will return. I hope.
A knock? Who is it? Sarah?
Adam, Sarah, you came. I want to talk.
Okay.
I was very hurt. I cried a lot.
I'm sorry.
I need respect.
Is that Mom? I think. Yes. Mom! Mom is here! My babies! Mom, I missed you.
I missed you too.
I'm so sorry. I was wrong. I will change. Sarah, I hurt you.
Yes,
I said cruel words.
they stayed in my heart. I felt small. I felt alone.
I understand.
I needed peace.
Please don't fight. We feel scared. We need peace. Dad, use kind words. Mom, stay with us. Please.
I'm sorry I left. I will not disappear. Promise? I promise to try.
I'm sorry, kids. I scared you.
Yes.
Please stop. Water?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you. New rule. No hurtful words. We speak calmly.
Yes. No shouting. No blaming. Listen first.
Good. How do you feel?
I feel worried.
Thank you. Thank you.
I want calm.
How do you feel? I feel scared.
Thank you.
I want hugs.
We need a plan.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, gotta.
We talk every day. Say, I feel upset. Not, you are bad. Okay?
I feel upset. I need help. Please listen.
Snack time.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I will help today.
Really? Yes.
Let's play.
Okay. Yay!
Gentle play. A phone call. I will stay calm. Breathe.
Work is stressful,
I understand.
but I won't shout. Thank you.
Dad is calm. That is good. Yes. Mom is here. I feel safe. Thank you.
Dinner is nice. I like this. No fighting.
Yes.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for trying.
I will keep trying.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Mom.
I'm here.
I'm here.
I love you. Good night, Leo.
Good night.
Don't shout tomorrow. I won't.
I feel better.
Me too. Arrebiaksiavia.
Me too. We listened.
Yes.
Anger is strong, but kindness is stronger. I learned.
Tomorrow, we test our promise. No shouting, okay?
Do you want more family stories?
New videos every week.
Subscribe now.
Please subscribe.
See you next time.